Hmm. First of all, the main thing is which I want to discuss with both of you. If you want, you can on your camera. If you want.
Everyone, we what? We
Yeah.
can turn on our camera, you said?
Yes, if you want, you can turn on. Yes. The main thing which I want to discuss both of you, when we take a start in the webflow, we should need to focus on the name of the classes. Like yes, like Maria used div block 3. This is the class of the container, or you can say that class of the a simple div. Similarly, it's the name link block for the it's a basically class name for the link block. But it's not the proper naming proper classes names. We should need to follow proper classes name. Like you can say that let me take a div. Yes, and I can named it like yes, home. Let just a minute. Section home. That was our section is hero section. So this naming convention shows that it's a section on the home page and the section is hero section. Understand?
Yes.
That's good. So we need to follow proper naming system, proper naming convention, because it will helpful for the anyone which have your read only link. It can easily understand what's going on in the project. Yeah, similarly,
That would be with everything.
yes, it will be with every class.
Okay.
Yeah, similarly, like let this is the section you named as hero section. Okay, it have container and then it have h1 paragraph and button. You can see just a minute. You can see this button is hiding under this image.
Yes.
Yes, why it's happened? Can you please answer me?
Well, I think I
Yeah,
haven't
respond.
been able um to work on the, I forgot the name of it. Um yes, of the, yeah, the responsiveness. Thank you, Adriana. Yes, I haven't been able to work on that, on this.
Yes, actually, yes, we will also discuss with the responsiveness, because it's not responsive. It have problems, a lot of problems. But the main problem which we are facing here is that I discussed with you, try to avoid fixed width, fixed height of the section, or anything, because
Yeah.
fixed width always disturbs you. Like I checked this. Yeah, it have fixed width of 100 view height. Therefore, when it have 100 view height and your content is more than 100 view height, therefore it's going outside of the container. If I remove this. Yeah, it's now fine. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I have one question, Sia.
Yes,
Right now
please,
that
please.
you are making these changes, does it affect the like my
No, no,
project?
no, no. It don't have any effect on your project. It's a read-only link, and it's not savable. When we refresh the link, it will same as you sent to me.
Oh, okay. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Okay. Another
We'll
thing.
do the changes you're doing right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
these changes are not savable. These are just for testing purpose. You can say that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Another thing is when we go to Mhm. Yes, you are using here images. Why you are using images here? We can also make it using the divs.
Oh, okay. I didn't know it was possible. Or maybe I thought it was, but it was too complicated. But you tell me.
It's little bit complicated, but when we use HTML structure for this, it will be easy. It will be easy to handle in mobile variants.
Oh, okay. It's
Yeah,
better
now
than with an image.
yes, it's better than image, and we can easily develop it within Webflow. It's not a big issue.
I have a
Okay,
question.
yes, please.
Could we is it possible that we make in this part of the her abilities, if you put the cursor, the arrow, I don't know how you say it, in front in on top of these bars, could they move or something advance,
Like an animation.
like an animation or something like that?
Oh, yes.
What level would that be?
I told
Is it
Isra
possible?
that initially I wanted to, but obviously it can be with time, right? But I wanted these bars to be moving, like filling, because you see that there's like a gray space, and that's the amount of knowledge, like
Percentage,
100% of knowledge.
percentage.
And the other one, the pink one, is the one that I've got so far, right? Like, I don't know, 20% on the program or something like that. So I wanted them to animate like if they were filling the gray space. But I don't know if that's possible.
Yes, it's possible also. We also have an option. We can also control it with our cursor. Like the pink is movable with our cursor, or upon scroll, this pink bar is moving towards the right. We have a lot of option with the help of web animations. We can handle it, but now on which stage we are standing. First of all, we need to learn about the structure. We need to learn about the classes. After that, on the next step, we will go on web animations, and we can see how we can handle these type of things.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, another thing which I want to discuss, never used fixed width here. Okay, we have a last option. We can use fixed width. How we can handle the width? Like here you used 637 pixels. How we can handle it? We can handle it. Give it to max width 637 pixels. Okay, and width should be 100%. Just a minute.
Okay.
And similarly, here is the parent container have you yes, you use 940 fixed width. It's not a reasonable thing. We will use max width is 1940 and container width should be 100 pixels.
Okay, so that will make what change?
Yes, I will show you. It will make what change. Just give me 1 minute. Mm, mm. It's not in this container size. Mm, mm. Why it's not handleable in it? Let me create a new container. Uh, let's suppose container large, and I assigned it to, let's suppose 1940 pixels with 100% width, and spacing should be margin auto. Let me use here two images. Is that one? Uh, just I am assigning it to a dummy class name, like percentage image, and you assigned it 637 pixels with 100%. Similarly, I am just assigning it a class name, the same class name. Okay, what will be the achievement? Achievement is that in 1940 pixel, when I assigned it 1940 pixel, these images 1940 pixel max width and width width is 100%, these images are now fit within the container automatically. You don't need to you don't need to do anything with it. The child elements are looking nice with respect to the parent element. Can you understand what I want to deliver?
Yes, because when I gave them the
Fixed range.
other the width with the pixels on the very width, um they were bigger, right? They got out of the
Exactly,
container.
out of the
Mm-hmm.
out of the container. And now what is the what is the what is the plus point in this way? The plus point is that on the 1940 screen or on the bigger screen, it's look like 1940. Like we are on the 1920 pixel screen. It's the container size remains the same on like 940 pixel. But when we are on the smaller screen, what happen? It's automatically change the container size with respect to the screen size. Like now we are on 768 pixels, it's 768 pixels. Now we are on 568 pixels, it's automatically fixed with parent container size 568 pixels. Similarly, when we are on mobile variant, it's fixed at 320 pixels, automatically
Okay.
100% of the screen size. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sure. So I should put all of them like in with width
Y-
on
y-
auto, or if I want like a specific width, I should put them in max width with
Yes,
100% in width.
yes, exactly. You for any container size, you should use max width here and width here with the what is the what is the when I make it margin auto, what we achieve? Do you know?
Um, that it respects like the space according to the responsiveness.
Let me show you again here, otherwise you will confuse. Just a minute. Let I take another div. Okay, this one,
Mm-hmm.
and I am assigning it to class like what? Yes, demo div. Okay, demo container. Okay, I assigned it to 1940 with, let's suppose, 100%. Okay, and it let's suppose it have just one button. Okay, let me use some background colors to show you better. And yeah, now you can see that this red demo container is on the left side of the screen. Okay,
Yes.
but how we can handle it? We never used like something like this to handle it. Never used that type of thing. Okay, we just go here and used and click on this button. When we click on this person, you can say that it's saying that center element horizontally. Just I click on it, margin auto is assigned to it, and it's now horizontally center in the mid of the screen automatically, like
Okay.
this. Yeah, this is the purpose of this margin auto concept.
So you don't recommend changing the padding or the margins for any elements?
No, we mostly we are using flex or grid, using flex. I used here align and justified center, and I handle this button with the use of flex. I did not use padding or margins.
Yes, to keep it responsive.
Yes, to keep it responsive on all media devices.
Okay.
Yeah, so these are the things I want to discuss with both of you, because in both of portfolios I saw that mistakes. The Adriana project is much better, but the class's name is totally different. Yes. Okay, one another thing I want to discuss. Class name is totally bad. We need to improve our classes names.
Okay. Sia, one thing that happened to me, well, for
Yes.
example, if I want to change the columns name or the buttons, if I change the class, then everything regarding the style changes, right?
I suggest you uh, try to avoid use this section, this columns, or this container. Try to avoid. We can
Okay.
handle this using this div block. Basically
Okay.
we can always develop the custom container. Okay, what is the how we can use the custom container, like I use the div and I assigned it container large here. Sorry, yeah, here,
So you recommend we use div block instead of container.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, we can use div block instead of container, and we can make our custom containers. We have a lot. We can also use container, but the best, I am just discussing with you about the best practices. It saves your time, and you can handle it as you want.
Okay.
These are best practices, how we are working, how I am working with my team. It saves a lot of time.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, here you are using slides, and you did not add anything like image or content in it.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. And one more thing, for any link block, or for any button, you must use simple hover animation. Like when I hover on about, it should need to color, change in color. When I hover on button, it should change its background color with text color, something like this. It's make user interactive.
Okay. Thank you for the
Yeah.
tip.
Yes, kindly. It's just a suggestion, and any other thing.
Yeah, I also had one more question on my
Yes.
other page, the
Yes.
work.
On about work page.
Uh, uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there I have some uh, uh like in the uh-huh. I have like some branches I wanted to like to highlight, and then I have my projects.
Yes.
So I created symbols for them, and I tried them and they work fine. I made two project boxes, which was the ones that have links and the ones that don't. Those on the projects that are on the bottom part. Um, but I have a question with the symbols. Whenever I have a slider inside the symbol, um, can I make it like personalizable? I don't know how to say it.
One thing which I want to add here, why why you used a symbol here?
So that I can change the information. easily
You
on
can
the cards, but
no
I don't know if that's convenient.
no okay. If you want to make a symbol, why you make each item symbol in the branches? You can make the symbol to the parent class, and you can use here on any page easily, just calling the symbol. But you used here each item.
Oh yes, I created a symbol for the card. Let's say not for the whole column, because what I wanted to change was the information, not the not to add this section to another one.
No, I can't understand why you are why you made symbol uh, like why you made each item as a symbol. You can
Oh
easily
no, no,
handle.
no. That's the same symbol, right?
No, it's a different symbol, because it have different information, branding, editorial, and
Yes, because
marketing
I already changed it. Look,
branches.
there it is, like design branches, and that one is the one that you can change.
It's also CMS based.
So if I wanted to add another column with another design branch, I would just add the symbol and just modify the information.
Where is the CMS collection? Did you make?
Mhm.
It's not CMS based. I thought it's CMS based. Description. But I don't think so. We need to make it simple. We if you want to use on any of the. Oh, just a minute. Okay, we have 10 minutes, no problem. If we want to use symbol on any other page, when you want to use the branches on any other page, you can remake the structure, and then you can call the this item. If we make its parent as a symbol, then we don't need to make the structure again. Just we call the whole structure, and we have all branches here. Can you understand?
Okay, yes. So I should make the column symbol and not the div block.
No, now you make the each. Basically, I can saying this. This is the list which have
Mhm.
three items. Okay, which have three items. You what have done? You done each item is a symbol, but it's not the best practice. When you want to use this symbol on any other page, you must need to first develop this list, then you will call the each item. When we have this list as a symbol, we just click on the symbol, and a whole list with parent and child is using on any other page.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the concept which I
Mhm.
want to discuss.
And if I wanted to add another design branch, I would have to make it.
If you
That
want to,
symbol.
if you want to add any other branch, and you don't want to remake the structure, the best practice is we can use CMS collections. In the
Mm-hmm.
CMS collection, using the CMS collection, we will just create structure for the each branch, and when we add any other new branch, the structure for the new branch will create automatically. You don't need to create any structure again. You will create structure only one time, and it's depend upon the number of the branches available in the CMS collections.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I get it. Thank you. And
Yes.
with the question I told you about earlier in the project section, which is below,
Yeah,
um,
just a minute. Yeah,
whenever
just
I put images on the sliders that have symbols, does
mm,
that will make like all of the sliders with the same images, or can they change?
if we are using here same concept, if where is the yes, yes. Why you also don't need to use symbol here.
Okay,
Yes.
it's better with CMS.
Yes, we have you can say that every designer or every developer have a lot of projects on their portfolio, and if this section project section is not CMS based, he need to create a structure again, and need to replace images and project details in each project. What is the best practice? We will use CMS collections, and we will create the structure only for one time. And when we want to add a new project, we just click in the CMS collection, and on the clicks, the automatically new project will be added.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
When I researched how to do the nav bar,
Sorry,
it
how to do?
the nav bar,
Okay, Nepal.
and it recommended we made it a symbol.
Yes,
Oh, yes.
yes.
We the nav bar is okay if it's a symbol. Then
Yes, yes. Let me explain why. When we have a navbar or the footer on any page, it should be the symbol. Why? Because let we have 10 pages in each project, and the 10 pages almost have the same navbar. Therefore we will just call the symbol of the navbar. We don't need to make the we don't need to make the structure again for the each page. We just call the navbar symbol, and it have same navbar on all pages. And when we make changes in on any page, it have effect on all pages, because we have a same symbol for all pages.
Okay.
You also understand, Ariana?
yes, I did. What would happen if we made the nav bar like a CMS?
You can also handle it with the CMS base, but like we have 10 pages. Okay. Then if it's not a symbol, then we need to create the let me show you with the help of example. You can understand easily. Just a minute. What's happened? It's not working. Like you can see that in this project we have 4 pages. When I click on training, we have the same symbol on the training page. Okay, when I click on programs, it have the same symbol on programs page, and similarly on the events and concerts page we have the same symbol. Okay, now let's see in the yes, I used a symbol here named site navbar. Okay, when I make any changes on any of the page, like yes, now we are on the home page. If I make any change, instead of events, I used event. Okay, and if I publish it, oh, just a minute.
Yes, just a reminder that we have less than a minute.
1 minute, yes. Okay, it have I made a change on the home page, but it also have effect on the conference page. Similarly on the programs
Okay,
page. Yeah.
so a symbol
Let
mostly
me back.
works.
Let me back in the next session.
Okay.
Okay.